Hello everyone, I'm Hao Jiang from Peking University, and I will introduce our paper, Joint Video Summarization and Moment Localization by Cross-Task Sample Transfer. Video summarization has recently engaged increasing attention in computer vision communities. However, the scarcity of annotated data has been a key obstacle in this task. To address it, this work explores a new solution for video summarization by transferring samples from a correlated task, that is, video moment localization, equipped with abundant training data. Our main insight is that the annotated video moments also indicate the semantic highlights of a video, essentially similar to the video summary. Approximately, the video summary can be treated as a sparse, redundancy-free version of the video moments. Inspired by this observation, we propose an importance propagation-based collaborative teaching network. It consists of two separate modules that conduct video summarization and moment localization, respectively. Each module estimates a frame-wise importance map for indicating keyframes or moments. To perform cross-task sample transfer, we devise an importance propagation module that realizes the conversion between summarization-guided and localization-guided importance maps. This way critically enables optimizing one of the tasks using the data from the other task. Additionally, in order to avoid error amplification caused by batch-wise joint training, we devise a collaborative teaching scheme which adopts a cross-task mean-teaching strategy to realize the joint optimization of the two tasks and provide robust frame-level teaching signals. As stated earlier, the main belief underlying our work is that the importance maps generated by SM and LM approximately correspond to the same set of semantic events, yet at different levels of completeness and redundancy. Guided by such belief, it is important to establish connections between these two kinds of importance maps, such that collaborative teaching can be enabled. To this end, we propose an importance propagation algorithm for realizing the conversion between the summarization-guided and localization-guided importance maps implemented by the importance propagation module. It takes the importance map generated by the summarization module as input and outputs the propagated importance map. Direct batch-wise joint training of different modules is susceptible to the noises in current batch and numerically unstable. We mitigate this issue using the mean teacher mechanism. However, existing methods are limited to the same task and not directly applicable for cross-task joint optimization. We propose a collaborative teaching module over SM and LM, which enables the teacher model of one task to transfer the distilled knowledge to the student model of the other task, thereby achieving collaborative training. The proposed collaborative teaching module contains knowledge distillation within SM and LM, cross-task mean teaching with LM data and SM data, and knowledge distillation between student networks. The optimization function is discussed in two cases, namely when LM data is used and when SM data is used. We evaluate our IPT-NET framework on two benchmarks, SUMME and TV-SUM. We compare the proposed method, IPT-NET, with previous methods, and the table shows the performance comparison under the canonical setting. We observe that IPT-NET achieves the best performance on both datasets. We further conduct experiments under the augmented and transfer settings, which demonstrate that IPT-NET still outperforms the previous work under both settings. In ablation investigation, we study the effectiveness of the importance propagation algorithm, collaborative teaching mechanism, and joint optimization strategy. The experiment verifies the effectiveness of each component of the proposed method. In conclusion, we address the data scarcity issue in video summarization, that is, employing the moment localization model to help the training of video summarization. We devise a new framework IPT-NIGHT, which adopts a collaborative teaching scheme to perform cross-task mean teaching and provide robust teaching signals. An importance propagation algorithm is designed to deal with domain gaps and realize cross-task sample transfer. That's all. Thanks for your listening.